Remind me to never do this again. Custom CAN bus wiring. You have to program these headlights to work. So basically how this started, I get a text message at 6 o'clock in the morning from my uncle. It says, hey, you want to replace headlight on BMW? And I said, oh, is this like singular headlight? Ah, yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. I was just thinking like a low beam, like a bulb or something. But nah, the whole assembly, I kind of got screwed because this car is not very fun to take the headlight out of. The biggest takeaway is that anything post 2008, I wouldn't expect a drop-in headlight assembly to work because of how tied in it is with CAN bus and all this stuff. The days of plug-and-play car components are done.